What's up, everybody? P Double's back on a Friday. Flawless Friday, that is. Flawless football. Finally here. We're going to get up into one briefcase. See how it treats us. Alright, let me just go ahead and we'll get this case opened. And then we'll get the boxes all set and squared up. We'll roll the die to see which box we're going to use for this break. Let fate decide. Oh, flawless. Not a flaw on it. Wow. Go this way. This is some heavy duty stuff here, y'all. Alright. Just go 1 and 2. That was the order they were in the box. We roll 1, 2, 3. It'll be the top one. 4, 5, 6 will be the bottom one. 1, 2, and 3. Top. 4, 5, 6. Bottom. Four. Use box number 2. All right. Here we go, y'all. we'll just leave the mixer up behind there. All right. I've never quite done one like this. Very cool. All right, I'm going to leave up my list, and as we're pulling things out, I'm going to try to type into the old random.org. Alright, everything will be placed into a one touch. 5, 6, 7, 8. Should need 8 of those. Alright. There it is. Box number 2. Good luck, everybody. Woo! Oh my lord. We will get a collective vote before we do the randomizing. Which card the briefcase should be paired with. And the briefcase will be sent along with that card. Oh, some heavy duty stuff here, y'all. Flawless. Whew. All right. How do we want to do this? You want to show the big hits first or save the big hits for last? I say we pull the box out first. Ah, I see. Rookie mistake. Might as well try to get the Panini sticker off first. Thing wasn't going anywhere. Alright, yeah. We'll do the box first. Yeah, that's okay up there. That'll work. Alright. Yeah, you can't see it. Alright, first up, for the Raiders, 12 of 25, Khalil Mack. Bang. I know, I'm nervous, y'all. I'm nervous. Mitch, you noticed it? I am. Not gonna lie. There's cool. And everything, I'm gonna put everything into a one touch. Next up, very cool. Somebody will be happy to get that one. Emmitt Smith. Authentic game worn. Bang. 2-color. 9 of 15. We got us a nice little briefcase here, y'all. Nice little briefcase. Next up, for the Cardinals, 7 of 10. So sick. Andre Ellington. Nasty. 7-10. There you go, Panic. Alright, let me get this open. Andre Ellington, 7 of 10. Sorry it's taking a minute, but I want you guys to have these in nice holders. For the Browns, Josh Gordon, 21 of 25. Smell that? That's Josh Gordon. This guy is definitely 1 per case on this stuff. A.J. McCarron, 8 of 15. 8 of 15. Next up, for the Chargers, Keenan Allen, eBay 101, 1 of 25. Yo, y'all are going to be screaming that this is the best box you've seen so far. I guarantee it. Keenan Allen, 1 of 25. Y'all are going to be like, yo, Dubs had a sick briefcase. Sick briefcase. And this is why I say it. Oh, so sick. Numbered 1 of 5, Jadeveon Clowney. Wow. What? That is sick. That is sick. Emerald. Pretty card. Pretty card. And last hit coming off the board for the box for the Colts. 5 of 25. Reggie Wayne. This was a solid one. Don't forget, we still got the 2 big ones to show still. 2 big ones to show still. We'll load everything into the random as I've shown them. reverse the order on those. And that's the way the names are going to be typed in. The hits are going to be typed into random. So Khalil Mack will be at the top of the list. And I know the other guy will be at the bottom. All right, let's do this one. Diamond, 18 of 20. Earl Campbell for the Oilers. Yep, Wagos, yep. from the rookie jersey for sure. All right, y'all ready? Last hit. Briefcase number 1. Ready? Because it is straight filthy. 6 of 15. 3-color Peyton Manning. Bang. Bang. Who's ready to figure out what everybody's going to get? Who is ready? All right, there is the empty case. Oh, sorry, the keys. First order of business. I assume that the briefcase, I'm just assuming, y'all can tell me different, but I'm assuming the briefcase will go with the Khalil Mack. Because everything else is an autograph, and the other patch is Emmitt Smith to 15, which I think completely trumps Khalil Mack. So we'll put Khalil Mack and the briefcase together. So whoever gets the Khalil Mack will also get a briefcase. So give me a minute to type in the cards, and then we'll roll the die and do all the randomizing. Andre Ellington. Josh Gordon. AJ McCarron. Keenan Allen. Clowney. Reggie Wine. Earl Campbell. Diamond. And the big boy, Peyton Manning. All right. Here we are. I'm going to roll through the names, then we'll come over here and roll the die. But let me show you all those are the hits in the order we pulled them out. Khalil Mack patch and the BC, which is briefcase. Emmitt Smith patch, Andre Ellington auto, Josh Gordon, AJ McCarron, Keenan Allen, Jadeveon Clowney to 5, Reggie Wayne, Earl Campbell diamond, Manning auto. 3-color patch. Here are the names of the players. Jay Weebell, D. Gibson, Sticks, JMA, Danny Dan, Ramo, Bada Bama, Don Juan Bob, Pavehawks, USAF, and Mitch 2020. Let's roll the dice. See how many times we're going to randomize those lists. And then we'll match them up. Good luck, everybody. 8 times. 8 times. Woo-woo. Yes, Panic. I'm sorry. Panic. Let me put you in right there. Panic. Let me put you in the top spot. Let me put you in where Jay Weebeld is. No, 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 no. I'll put you in where Jay Weebeld is. Shake it up. There we are. Panic Glass, D. Gibson Sticks. There we go. All right. We're going 8 times. 8 times on the dice roll. Okay, here we go. Good luck. 1. Mitch up top. JMA down below. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8th and final time. Good luck, everybody. This is really no matter to the order here. Just getting the list. Here we go. 8 times. Pavehawks up top. JMA down below. Those are your numbers. Everybody remember your number? I'm just going to copy and paste real quick. Just got my order of doing things. I definitely always like to print out my pages. 14. All right, let's go to the teams. The hits. Here they are. Going 8 times. Khalil Mack all the way down to Peyton Manning. Good luck, everybody. Thank you again. Here we go. 1. Khalil up top. Emmett down below. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8th and final time. Good luck, everybody. 8 times. Khalil up top. Reggie Wayne down below. So let me. I am awesome. I called it. I am awesome. There we go. Holy shit, Bada Bama. You win. You win. Pavehawks with the Khalil Mack and the briefcase. Sticks getting Andre Ellington, Don Juan Bob, A.J. McCarron, Danny Dan with the Jadeveon Clowney, Ramo, Earl Campbell, Panic Glass, Emmett Smith, Bada Bama, Peyton Manning, D. Gibson, Josh Gordon, Mitch 2020 with Keenan Allen, and JMA. Reggie Wayne. There you go. Whew. Thank you all, y'all. That was cray-cray. There. The Emmett. It's number to 15. Nine of 15. And it says right on front, game worn. So that thing is filthy. Reggie Wine. Reggie Wine. Where you at, Reggie Wine? 25. 5 of 25. Whoop, whoop. Oh my word. Woo! Thank you, Packer. Packer Bob jumping in. Let's see. All right, let's see where we're at, y'all. Let me open up PayPal. All right. Catch up with everybody. Dude! Dude! Are you kidding me? Got you, Packer Bob. Thank you so much. Whoop, whoop. Boom. All right. I'm gonna. So I've got Asian Ass Box Break, Packer Bob. Shake it up. I gotta be in it. I want to be in the mix. Second box is not full yet. Not full yet. We have. You know what? I'm jumping in this one. 6 left. 6 left in this box. 6 left. We've got 8 left. 8 left in our mixer, y'all. $23 mixer. We got 8 left in that. Absolutely, Danny. Please don't get upset with me. I'm just trying to keep everything in order. And I'm really jealous of this one, Danny. I'm really jealous of it. 1 of 5. That's just disgusting. Oof. Outstanding. Couldn't agree more. I really like that one. All right. Let's do this 50-50. Cuz then oh wow, I had to copy and paste it. I did. I copied and pasted it. Damn it. Okay. $21 50-50 top spot. That's a random hit box 2 through 5 get into 6 box at the mixer. Bang. J Money takes 1 in that, so we've got 9 left. Bang. Sticks, you missed it. You missed it. It's over. But we're doing round 2. You got this one, Sticks. And he's an ad. Vikings all day. Woo woo. Thank you, thank you. Homar, appreciate that. Let me get everybody. J Money 26. Vikings all day. Homar with a full. Danny Dan. Pierce. Thank you, Pierce. I'll get you mounted up here in a second. Asian ass. Woo woo. 6, 7, 8. Sticks, everything. Yeah, I thought you were in the room, man. It got random, and this is what you got. You got Andre Ellington, number to 10. That's the one you got random. 7 of 10. Not bad at all, man. I love me some Andre Ellington. For show. D. Gibson got the Josh Gordon. So, I don't know. I don't really know how to proceed. Letting him know. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 left. 1 left. Rick HD. Thank you, Rick. 1 left in a fitty fitty. Gets us to 4 left in the flawless. Thank you, Danny. You start checking them off. Whoop, whoop. And this will get us down to 4 left in the mixer. Got you home, Marv. Thank you so much. Shake it up. Asian ass, got you for your specials. 1 left. 1 left. Who got it? Repo boy. Woo woo! Thank you, Repo. Bang. Just like that. We've got 4 left in flawless. And 4 left in the mixer. Woo woot! Ah, damn it. Repo boy. Shit. I messed up. I missed William Fung's. Vikings all day. Shit. Yeah. Repo boy. Can I put you in the next fitty fitty? I got nowhere to put it. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Thank you, Repo. Sorry about that. I hate when I miscount like that. I appreciate you, Repo. I think we'll still be able to get. We'll be able to run another one, and it'll get us to 3 left in the flawless, and it'll fill the mixer. So that'll be cool. All right, let me type these names in. For sure, we'll get it all done. I'll check everything off. Let me get all the names in. So we can do that. Random pick. Oh no, William. Nope. Nope. You know, I just missed stuff, dude. I got everyone around you, and somehow it didn't make it on my paper. But I'm glad you said that you paid, so then I was able to see it. You know, man, I miss so much stuff in chat. I'm the worst. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let me check out the rest of the payments. Woo whoop. All right. Got your Rick HD. Guard King breaks. Shake it up. Got your Pierce. Thank you, thank you. What you waiting for? Shake it up. Got your Vikings. Thank you. There it is. Stupid. You had written it down. So that's good. Good. Waiting on that one. Danny, shake it up. Not seeing it, Danny. Yeah, Danny Dan, I'm still not seeing those two came through. I had your earlier ones. Got you, Jamie. I got everybody. Everybody's good to go. Except for that one. Oh, yeah. I know, I've gotten to the very end, and just one more click is all it would take. Just one more click, but I just didn't get to that click. Yeah, if you said he said he sent it a minute ago, and it would have been here already for sure. You gotta stay focused. Beer won't let me do that. Danny Dan. I still don't have the payment, my man. I don't want to be a pain in the butt. All right, thank you. Just gotta put the check mark down. Woo woo. Absolutely, Danny. Will do. For sure, for sure. My God, come on, PayPal. Jeez. I wonder if the email is going to show up before it actually shows up in there. No. No, wishful thinking. Box 2 of Flawless. We've got 4 left. 4 left. 4 left in the $23 mixer as well. I don't know what's going on. I'm going to refresh one more time, and I'm going to log out and then log back in. See if it's there. Stupid PayPal is a trip today. Still not there. What is going on? Yeah, PayPal always works. There it is. There's one. Good night. Thank you so much, Danny. Whew. And if if a second one comes through, I'll absolutely shoot that back 3 times. Good night. Okay, yeah. Any more than that 42 right there, it will come back to you. Absolutely. That's what I've got right there. I've got that one. And 42. That's the one that just came in. 7 times. 7 times. Woo-hoo. Lucky number 7. Woo-hoo. All right. Yeah, if any more come in after that, I'll fire it on back to you, brother. All right. Top 5 jumping into breaks. Top spot getting a flawless hit. 2 through 5 will get into the 6th box football mixer. Here are your players. Dice roll with 7. J Money. Vikings all day. William Fung. Danny Dan with 2. Pierce. Asian Ass with 2. Card King Breaks and Rick HD. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Thank you all for jumping in, helping us fill. Let's do it. Good luck. J Money up top. Rick HD down below after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final time. Good luck, everybody. Top spot getting into flawless. 2 through 5 getting in the 6 box mixer. Good luck. Thank you all again for jumping in. Here we go. 7 times. Wow, Asian Ass dominated. Getting a spot in flawless and in the mixer. Pierce, Card King Breaks, and Vikings all day. Congratulations. William Fung, Danny Dan, Rick HD, J Money. Yuck. That is blah. Damn. I hate when I can't get a double spot, at least split up. At least one of them in there. All right, 4 left in that. Homar, we are down to 4. 4 left. 4 left in the next box of flawless. We've got 4 left in this mixer. So if we run another 50-50, this will fill, and we'll be at 3 left in the mix. Yes, Asian Ass, you have 2 spots in the next box of flawless. Congrats, dude. Holy shit. Wow. That's how you do it right there. Dang. Keep that luck rolling. Get some music turned on here. I need to run upstairs and Tommy Golf, you the man. Woo woo. Oh. Bang. Tommy Golf. 3 left. Tennessee fan, you got it. Thank you, Mike. Woo woo. All right, let me check this. Woo wee. All right. Where are we at? Where are we at? William Fung. Tennessee, I'd love to. We've only got 2 left in that. I'd love to, real quick, knock that out, get the mixer done, and then we got 3 left in the next box of flawless. It don't matter, whichever one. Yeah, this is way too much. All right, missed that one. All right. All right. Just trying to make sure I didn't miss anything. PNP, gonna jump in flawless. Woo woo! We got it. 2 left. I don't see why we can't do the flawless real quick. Oh shit! I didn't. I never reset my damn broadcast, did I? Son of a bitch. Damn. All right, let me refresh real quick.